A year ago, Samsung took the stage at the Bill Graham Civic Auditorium in San Francisco and unveiled a device poised to change the entire smartphone market, the Galaxy Fold. It captured the attention of everyone at the event and even intrigued the non-tech savvy tuning in from afar. But it wasn't long before the Fold had problems, defects in the foldable screen, shaky app compatibility and a delayed launch. This year, Samsung is poised for a do-over. The South Korean electronics giant again will host an event in San Francisco, this time taking the stage at the Palace of Fine Arts on Tuesday at 11 a.m. Pacific time, and again it'll show a new foldable. But this iteration, believed to be called the Galaxy Z Flip, could avoid many problems faced by its predecessors, including high pricing and lack of apps. The event is notable for another reason: it's the first show that Samsung's new head of mobile, Tae-moon Rho, will lead. Along with the Flip, Samsung is expected to unveil a trio of Galaxy S20 phones and new Galaxy Buds Plus earbuds, and it might even introduce its long-awaited Bixby-powered smart speaker. But it's the Galaxy Z Flip that'll likely capture the attention of attendees. At a time most companies don't even have one foldable phone, Samsung now will have two. And they're expected to be very different from each other. Samsung first teased the new foldable during its developer conference in October. The Flip is believed to resemble an ultra-high-tech flip phone, with a bendable glass interior display, versus the Fold's phone tablet hybrid design. If the Z Flip's design sounds familiar, that's because we've essentially already seen it. Motorola's new Razr Foldable, which hit stores Thursday, has a design that harkens back to the hugely popular Razr flip phone, and the Z Flip is expected to use the same clamshell design. Samsung's Galaxy Fold was essentially a smartphone that expanded outward into a tablet. When it finally went on sale in September, the Fold was difficult to find in stores, and its $1,980 price tag was high for many buyers. 5 months after it became available, there still aren't enough apps that transition well between the Fold's small front screen and the large, interior display. And reviewers criticized that smaller front screen, saying it wasn't large enough to actually be very useful. Motorola, meanwhile, faced multiple delays of its Razr before finally launching the device, and the version now on sale for consumers has some issues, like a squeaky hinge. It's tough to find in stores, is back-ordered online, and includes less advanced technology like a weaker processor and more limited camera capabilities than what most high-end smartphones boast. The Flip, which some rumors say could go on sale as soon as this month, presents an opportunity for Samsung to again capture the buzz in the foldables market. The Galaxy Z Flip, with its familiar interior smartphone screen, could attract a lot of buyers right away, unlike the Fold, which mostly seemed geared toward early tech adopters. App compatibility shouldn't be a problem for the Flip. The interior screen is expected to be the same size as regular smartphones, and there's likely no front display. The response to Motorola's Razr has shown that people are intrigued by the clamshell foldable model. And the Flip is expected to cost about $1,400, much less than the Fold, and even $100 less than the Razr.